Hey, my name's J.kustoms. For those of you that don't know me, I have a small business called J.kustoms. I do restoration work, custom work, diesel swaps, stuff in that nature. I specialize in Fords. What I got here behind me is a Superduty. It's a 2006 F350. I just did a restoration on it. I just now completed it. And it literally turned into a bigger mess than what we anticipated. This is just a quick run through of the build, start to finish. Hope you like it. And if anybody else is looking to do something like this, just give me a call. Alrighty, pretty much got most of the cab wrapped up. I lifted it back off so I can do some odds and ends on the frame. Gonna be putting the track bars on and steering stabilizer brackets, fill everything up with fluid. Just odds and end touch-ups. Probably have the bird painted today as well for the PMF emblem. Make that stick out a little bit. Said the cab's pretty much done. I'll finish up the engine bay with the cab off. It's easier to get in and out of there. And put these parts on today. Okay, got the old blocks out. The owner of the truck mentioned to me that the rear of the truck sat a little lower than the front. So when I called PMF, I had them custom make the new blocks an inch taller than the old ones. So if you are unsure what size block you want, if you have a tilt block, make sure you measure the middle of the block. Because if you measure on the end, you could be 4, and on this end you could be 5. Because this is the taper of the tilt block. Always measure the center. So I got them made an inch taller, so nobody likes the Cali look, and you might get cancer too. So I'll get these things thrown in there. All right, I got everything prepped. Put the new blocks in. The bird is painted. Alrighty. I'm ready to set this cab down under the chassis. I got the chassis pretty much finished. Everything is dialed in, torqued down, wired up. So I shouldn't have to do anything with this. So what's left is to drop the cab down, bolt it down, hook everything up, hopefully have it running here in the next few hours. Well, I just got the truck back from the body shop. Now I'm going to finish putting this thing together. Put the fenders on, hood, fender flares, and all that stuff. And there's some minor body things to get taken care of later. But we need to get this thing finished and to the customer because he's getting to the point where he's going to need it here for work soon. So there's a lot of work to be done in a couple days. But it's starting to look good. This 06 Super Duty is coming together pretty good, other than it being time consuming. I mean, it always comes apart real quick, but putting this thing together is definitely taking some time. But otherwise, it's going together pretty good. We got all the wheels on except for this one. Just wanted to kind of run through what I got going on here. I got these wheels from J.kustoms out of Ohio. The guy's name is Kyle Ross, so if you look up J.kustoms, just get a hold of him and get some wheels ordered, or get a hold of me. I can do it as well. So what I have here is the 12 wide super single Alcoas, and what they do is they take the 22.5 wheel and then they turn down the bead area a 1/4 inch to turn it into a 22-inch rim. Also, you can get these rims custom cut. I'm sure if you got a hold of Kyle, he could tell you all kinds of different ways they can cut them for you. I also got the wheel adapters from KDR. They're made out of steel. They're high quality. They're heavy duty. I sent them out and got them painted. Another thing I did is I put longer studs, 4 of them, in the hub and marked them, because what I'm doing here is I'm using the Superduty center cap. The factory hubcaps snap onto the lug nuts, so what I had to do is I had to double up 4 of them to get these to snap on. Which they're also marked, so you can't get them mixed up. So I'll torque them on. I'm also replacing the lockouts with brand new ones, and I replaced all the vacuum lines going from here up to the vacuum actuator for the automatic hubs. That way, if he wants 4-wheel drive, the automatic hubs are guaranteed to work, as long as the lockouts don't fail. Well, the truck is pretty much done. I brought it back in the shop, put it on the hoist, and took the wheels off. because I am going to have these ceramic coated so they're easier to clean, because once you get hard water on these aluminum wheels, they are hard to clean.